So this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom is being offered, like I said, as an estate sale, which means that some of the finishes will need your special touch. You've got high ceilings, 9-foot ceilings. You've got a walk-through closet that goes to the Jack and Jill bathroom that has a water closet as well. It has central air and central heat. It does have the baseboard heaters as well. So, but the win is these huge windows that are throughout the entire unit. It's a corner unit, so you end up getting tons of light in here. The combined living room, dining room is really special. You've got a little nook here. You've got more than enough space to have a full living room set and a full dining room set. 7 blocks from the United States Capitol, so you can't beat it. And a great layout in the kitchen. It's not an open floor plan or anything like that, but obviously with some new cabinetry, some new countertops, you could really have a beautiful, beautiful kitchen. We're up here on the roof deck. But this courtyard, it walks right into the Penn Mall. This is all space reserved for residents of the Penmark building. Neither this nor the roof deck need to be booked or reserved. You can use them anytime.